What's up everybody, this is Mike and today's video will be a bit different. It's an update slash rant video about my DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo, which unfortunately is still not here. Now, before I start with this and give you guys an update on what's going on, please let me know if you notice any difference in the quality of this footage, as I'm using a new camera. I've bought myself a Panasonic G80 to replace my old Canon camera. I'm very excited for this as I wanted to switch to 4K right away with getting my new Mavic Air. So this is a 4K camera, and as you can see from the beginning shots of this video, the footage, at least to me, looks much better, much smoother, and I'm generally very happy with my purchase. But I want to hear from you guys, so let me know if you like the quality or not. And I'm very excited to start making 4K videos. I'm not going to necessarily upload in 4K every single time, but it's nice to have this option, and of course it gives you much more freedom in editing and post. So that's something that I'm excited about. But I'm also very excited to finally get my drone, which unfortunately is still not a reality. Now, unfortunately, my drone is still in China. I ordered it during the presentation and I wanted to get it as quickly as possible. And even though it has been shipped, or at least marked as shipped, for the past 5 days, it's still in China and I don't have an idea how is this possible. Now, before we start, I know this is a first world problem. I don't want to sound completely negative and like a spoiled brat, but it's something that I've been waiting for since many months actually. I wanted to upgrade to a newer drone, so finally have it on order, and you know, being able to know that I'm going to get a new drone and not being able to get it on time is a bit frustrating. So I wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on, as I haven't posted a video in a couple of days and I don't really want to go back to the Spark right now. I'm in this new mood for a new excitement for the new Mavic Air, and I don't want to make a video with the Spark as of right now. Of course, I will continue to make Spark videos, but for now I'm already in Mavic Air mode, and I want to make videos with that drone. So I contacted DJI first, as they were delaying my shipment. So I contacted them and talked to them, and they told me that there was some problem with the packaging, which I'm not sure what that means. Hopefully they didn't drop it or something else. I don't even want to know, but hopefully it arrives in one piece and works as promised. But we'll see about that. And so that was the first reason why my shipment was delayed by maybe a day and a half, which is quite a lot if you ask me for a packaging problem. But anyway, once it eventually got shipped, I got a notification and I was able to track it, of course. But for some reason the drone was shipped from China and it's still in China. And I don't get why is this happening, how is this possible? Anyway, I contacted DHL Express, which generally DHL Express is a delivery system that gives you your packages within 2 or 3 business days. That's the rough estimate. But so far it's been 5 days and I still have my drone in China. Still no new information about what's going on. So I talked to them and they said they are not able to give me more information about this problem. They had to contact their Chinese colleagues to talk about it, and they couldn't give me any more information. They told me just to wait and see what happens, which of course is not a good answer when you are waiting for your package for that long. So as we are Friday today, I guess the earliest I can get my drone will be Monday, but as it's still in China, I'm not sure if there will be any movement during the weekend. So I'm not sure I will be able to get it even on Monday. Could be next week, could be the end of next week, who knows. So yeah, this is everything that I know so far. all the information that I have on my package is that I need to wait until it shows up on my door. Unfortunately, this is not the first time something like this happens. It happened the same way with my DJI Spark, but what happened then was I was traveling. I was in Italy back then, so didn't really matter if it's delayed by a couple of days as I wasn't home anyway. But this time I'm anxiously waiting for the drone to arrive, so it's a bit more frustrating for me. And like I mentioned, I'm going to use that drone to provide you guys as much information as possible for everything you need to know to build your own opinion whether you should buy it or not. So this video at least gives me a good way to ask you guys what kind of videos you want to see when I eventually get the drone. Of course, I'll be making a unboxing video, my first impressions, my first footage with the drone. But other than that, I'm very open to suggestions, and I want to give you guys all the information you need, so I'm be pumping out videos as frequently as I can. But I want to ask you and of course use your input, so please write in the comments below what kind of video you want to see. Maybe you want to see a range test, which I'm not very excited for, as I'm not a huge fan of range tests, but I of course will be able to make one if you guys request it. Maybe you want to see a comparison video between the Spark and the Mavic Air. Let me know what you want to see first, and I'll be, of course, I'll be taking that into consideration and give you what you want. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this quick little update video. It was a nice way to vent a bit, and hopefully I don't sound very frustrated, but you know, you can't have everything working perfectly all the time, so you have one of those issues every now and then. So hopefully I will get the drone very soon. I will be making lots more content with that, and of course give you guys all the information and things you want to know in future videos. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please comment below what do you want to see from me coming next, and hopefully by the time I see you guys next, I will already have my new drone and I'll talk to you then. But for now, have a great weekend guys, and I'll see you very soon. Ciao.